transfers with the Epson F2100. You guys ready to go? I haven't printed in 10 days because I've been on vacation, and I can't wait to get going again with the Epson. We're gonna print a gang sheet with some really cute mama animal print style designs, so let's go. All right, so over here in Epson Garment Creator, I am just going to open up my designs. I already have my cold peel preset selected, so I'm just gonna go to open. We are going to find our designs, which I downloaded from SoFancy onto my computer here. They are, I love Epson F2100 as a DTF printer for many reasons, but one of them is because I can use my beloved Mac. So here's a PNG, I'll pull that one in there. And then if you want, we can make a couple of different ones. So this is gonna be size, I probably am gonna want it a little bit bigger. So we'll size it like that. And let's see, should we add another one? Multi-image. It's going to allow us to bring in another one by clicking the plus sign here. So I'll just pull in as many as I can so that we're not wasting the DTF film. Make those different sizes. I'm going to make them all about the same size. Okay, I need to flip that. This is just me setting up basically a gang sheet. Might actually be able to fit two along the side there, so we'll try that. We do need to be careful because the DTF film is not this complete size here. So I'm gonna add one more, but we'll see. We'll just put that one like right there. Okay, and then we are done with that, so we'll click OK. It's going to shoot us back into the Garment Creator. This is the original one that I had there before I decided that I wanted to make the multi image, so you can see that it's thinking. So I'm just going to give it a second to process all of that data. Those are big PNG files, and here we go. So now I am ready to print. So obviously, you want to print on the side that is not shiny. So you can kind of hold it up to the light and place it on here. So the platen that you saw in the Garment Creator is indicating this entire thing, but that's why I needed to keep it within like an inch or so on each side. And I'm just going to set this like this, and then I'm going to click print, and it's going to print for us. So this is gonna light up, and we'll press it, and away we go. Ready? Let's go. Now I will tell you that I did speed up this video, but looking back at the real time, it took about 9 minutes for this full gang sheet, which was about 16 by 20, to print both layers. As you can see, the Epson F2100 prints CMYK first, and then it will reverse back in and lay the white layer down. That is a significantly quicker process than the CMYK. So once that's done, I just added the powder and placed it into the curing oven. It will just need to cure for 120 seconds on 120 degrees Celsius. I do keep it Celsius because it's easier to remember. And then I was able to just remove those. That full sheet was perfect. And now all you have to do is you can either sell the gang sheet itself, or you can cut them all apart and either sell them individually, or they are ready to be applied. They go on at 338 degrees. It takes about 10 to 15 seconds to apply to pretty much any color, any type of fabric shirt. That's the beauty of DTF.